Hey y'all, it's your motherfucking girl coming back with another day of content. Y'all know how I do. We have these beautiful ladies in here. We are getting ready to do a content shoot, and I want y'all to stay tuned. Like, we are going to get it popping, okay? I got some of the cutest girls in here, okay? Understand it. Let's go. Ooh, money shot. That was cute.
I like that one.
That was cute to get up here so I don't cover that D. So how you like these higher angles?
Ooh, this one's perfect. I'm gonna just try to keep my head up then.
Okay.
So with this one, I could do this kind of like pose.
Okay.
But then we can do it to where like I'm a little bit this way.
Okay. Let's just do that. Oh yeah, no flash.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
No flash. Okay. Like a arch kind of coming down, shoulder baby hairs, or shoulder curl. Yes.
That was really the most involved.
No, I'm trying to see what's your angle. That's cute. So you want to suck in a little bit? You want to suck in just stomach, not chest. Because you don't want to look like you swole up. Just stomach. Yeah.
Relax a little bit.
That's it. Arch that back though. You like that? Yes, that's it. That's it. Soft face. Keep that lip. Yes, that's the look. Ooh, it's so cute. Let me show you.
Okay. Oh, that's cute.
And you just make it light. There's so much cute stuff.
Yes.
So this is your look.
Yes,
That soft
yes.
face, head back, arch.
Yeah.
See the body? Everybody needs to be doing something like different.
Oh,
You're
that's
looking out the
dope.
window.
That's the window. Yeah.
Extra like this.
You can leave it there, but
And then switch her this way. Put some hair over here. So that even if our shoulders not relaxed. We finishing up our shoot. This was our first one. We had some hicks in a row, but I think we did pretty good. My girls are so cute. Look at that. They still trying to get stuff. So we're about to have a little intermission. We're done. We're gonna go rest up, freshen up, change up, and then we're gonna go get some brunch. It's Sunday fun day. You know how we do in the H.
Pop out? Like, y'all trying to pop out or no?
Tune in, whatever.
Oh, that's a cute.
Ooh, I mean, it's just a view.